The multiverse. So, even though certain features of the universe seem to require the existence of a multiverse, nothing has been directly observed that suggests it actually exists. So far, the evidence supporting the idea of a multiverse is purely theoretical, and in some cases, philosophical. The concept of a multiverse, a hypothetical collection of potentially diverse observable universes, each of which would comprise everything that is experimentally acceptable by a connected community of observers. The observable known universe, which is accessible to telescopes, is about 90 billion light years across. Who created the multiverse theory? Hugh Everett's many-worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics arose from what must have been the most world-changing drinking session of all time. This was from 2014, so I don't know if this is true, but anyways, there are 3 dimensions we live in: a vast cupboard with height, width, and depth, well known for centuries. Less obviously, we can consider time as an additional 4th dimension, as Einstein famously revealed. The multiverse explained. Now let's talk about dark matter. Dark matter is a hypothetical form of matter thought to account for approximately 85% of the matter. Dark matter is composed of particles that do not absorb, reflect, or emit light, so they cannot be detected by observing electromagnetic radiation. Dark matter is a material that cannot be seen directly. We know that dark matter exists because of the effect it has on objects that we can observe directly. Based on the current data, Adler estimates on the October 17th Journal of Physics that at most some 24 trillion metric tons of dark matter lies between Earth and the Moon. Dark matter can refer to any substance which interacts predominantly via gravity with visible matter, stars, and planets. Hence, in principle, it need to be composed of a new type of fundamental particle, but could at least in part be made up of standard baryonic matter such as protons or neutrons. In theory, macros could directly interact with physical objects such as human bodies, causing significant damage. According to a new study titled Death by Dark Matter, damage from such a collision would be comparable to a gunshot wound, the researchers wrote. In fact, recent estimates put dark matter as 5 times more common than regular matter in our universe. But because dark matter does not interact, we can't touch it, see it, or manipulate it using conventional means. You could, in principle, manipulate dark matter using gravitational forces. Also popular is a theory that dark matter is made of lighter but equally hypothetical particles called axions. But over the past half-decade or so, some researchers have become more open to an older idea. Dark matter consists of primordial black holes that emerged from the Big Bang. So any of you that believe the Big Bang Theory, one possibility is that there's some kind of charge in nature, and dark matter is the lightest thing that carries that charge, Taro says. In particle physics, charge must be conserved, meaning it cannot be created or destroyed. Dark matter particles can penetrate all other forms of matter, which means that they may even be able to traverse right through our planet without losing any energy or whatsoever. On the other hand, their impact with ordinary matter that Earth is comprised of may hamper them slightly, resulting in a loss of energy. Even though at any given instant there's only around 10 to 22 kilograms of dark matter inside you, much larger amounts are constantly passing through you. Every second, you'll experience about 2.5 times 10 to 16 kilograms of dark matter passing through your body. Scientists have not yet observed dark matter directly. It doesn't interact with baryonic matter and it's completely invisible to light and other forms of electromagnetic radiation, making darker matter impossible to detect with current instruments. Dark matter played an important role in the formation of galaxies. Researchers use astronomical surveys to build maps of the location of dark matter in the universe based on how the light from distant galaxies spins as it travels to us. That's the end, and don't forget to drink water.